How to gift Audible credits. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can give some credits of Audible as a gift to someone else. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. What you must do is open your web browser and type Audible Gift Center, and I'm going into this link, giftcenteraudible.com. So once I open it, I can select a different membership, so you can gift Audible to anyone, even if they're already a member, so you can add some extra months into their plan. So you can select 1, 3, 6, or 12 months. Just remember, if you select more months, you're gonna save more money, especially if you purchase 12 months. By now I'm going to continue with just 1 month. And here you must select the different options, email or print. So if you select email, you must write the recipient's email, the recipient's name, this is your name, and the delivery date, and even add a message. This is optional. And if you select print, just select the recipient's name, this is your name, and add a message too. And you have to print it out so you're going to be able to give your gift. And that's how you can do it. Once you have filled all this data, you must tap on continue, complete the payment process, and that's how you can gift Audible credits. Thanks for watching.